be trying to make a slushie again. Not like my first video. That was awful. In my first video, I said, this is actually pretty good. This is so good. After that, it was so disgusting. I was totally lying. I'm going to admit that now. It was absolutely disgusting. Don't try it, okay? Unless you already tried it. I'm sorry. Don't follow my recipe. I completely messed it up. It was way too sweet, and I had way too much lemon juice. Anyway, we're moving on from that. Today, I'm going to be trying to make a lemon lime refresher. Why does that sound like something you get at Taco Bell? I don't know. You're gonna need what you'd use to make lemonade, but a little bit more lemony. So you want it to be like very distinctly lemon. I made it yellow just so that it looked like a lemon. And then Sprite. And if all this looks super sweet, we're gonna be adding ice. So that's like adding tons of water. Then you're gonna want some of that Sprite, the lemon juice mixture, and ice. Ice. So now you're going to want to add the ice. Oh, that sound! I broke it. Okay, so now that that's fixed, you want to add your ice. If you're even going to try this. Then, hold on. The lemon juicy thing mixture. You only want to add kind of a little bit. You'll add more if needed. I don't think you'll be needing this whole thing. I kind of made too much. Now, the lid, because of course, if you don't add the lid, this would happen. Now the lid is on. You also want to make sure it's plugged in. Why is everything failing today? I'm sorry. Gosh, this is gonna be a pain to edit. So now that you have this, it's plugged in. Don't chop off your finger. You want to put it on first. At first, keep it on low, and then slowly bring it up. Ready. That worked. Then you just want to occasionally stir it. You might want to add some more of your liquid. Did you hear that? That was disgusting. Okay. Listen. Now that's done, you're going to want to detach this. Okay, we're safe. And add it to my cup. Delicious. And for the next flavor, I don't really think you're going to need to wash this out. You're going to want to get some more ice. I have my more ice. Now you want to add your Sprite. That's good. You might need to add more, so just don't put it away just yet. Now, okay, I gotta add some green food coloring, but once it's kind of blended. You don't really need to wash it because it's all going in the same cup. That works. This. Now I'm just gonna add a drop of green food coloring. Sufficient. Wish me luck. That works. We have our lemon and lime, and it looks like I'm the only one eating it, so don't worry. Then you want to grab a tallish glass. Should I do lemon or lime first? Lemon. That got my foot. So I'm going to need to drink some of this, apparently. Let me put this in the fridge. So now that I've drank some of that, I'm going to add the green on top. Oh no. This is a reusable straw. And the green's a little bit chunkier than the... Yep. Okay. I have to say this is one of the best looking things I've ever made. This is super easy to make. Literally, you can even use lemonade mix if you even had some lemonade made at home because it's summer. It's so good too. The Sprite, it's really like lemon lime because you get the Sprite, and then the bottom is lemonade. No food was wasted in the making of this video. I literally ate all the leftovers, and I'm gonna eat this. This is so delicious, and also if you think that it's gonna be too sweet, like a lemonade and Sprite, which are both really sweet things, the ice waters it down significantly. So good. I did actually eat it all while I was editing.